Stephanie here again today. Today we're bringing you a really cool hike. It's on the southeast edge of the island of Oahu. It's the Koko Crater Arch Trail. It's right next to Halona Blowhole and Cockroach Cove. We're standing up right there, so that's the Halona Blowhole. That is Cockroach Cove right there. Super beautiful. I'm here with my friends. Say hi, guys. Really excited to get going on this one, so let's do it. That is the arch. I hope you really enjoyed. This is definitely one of those sunny hikes, so like a hat, sunglasses, sunscreen is all definitely necessary. Really make sure you take your time because the loose gravel can be really dangerous, but otherwise it's not too hard. Definitely hot, so lots of water. What did you guys think?
So it's super fun, easy at the beginning, but just be careful, don't rush when you're going up. Pick one of the two sides of the arch to go up and go wherever it's not like gravelly, and just watch your step as you go up there, up and down. It's just, that's the only sketchy part, but it's super cute, super fun, and it's super awesome.
Yeah, it is. Sam?
I thought it was super fun. I really like the hike, but yeah, definitely be careful on the loose gravel and wear hiking shoes. This is not like a sandals type of hike. Definitely
Great point.
Hiking boots or shoes with good grip.
Yep, they nailed it on the head. I hope you guys really enjoyed this one. Make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps us out, and we'll see you guys in the next video.